Okay, here we go, team. We are looking at number 18 from the 6.3 online assignment. I have this table that tells me about a person's salary based on the years of education. It makes sense that the more years of education one gets, the more their annual salary. So we're going to use this information to answer a few questions. And specifically, I want to focus on part C. Part B and C are what I want to focus on. All right. So first of all, let's go and look for a pattern here. On the x-axis, education, I can see that's going up 2 each time. Do you see that? We're going 2, 4, 6, 8. Every time we're adding 2. On the y-axis, the salary, I am going up by 12 there, 12 there. Looks like we're going up by 12 each time. Now I can use this pattern to write an equation. I can use this pattern to write an equation. Recall that slope is the rise over the run or the change in y over the change in x. So I'm going to write an equation starting with y equals, let's talk about that slope a little bit more. We just got done saying that it's 12 over 2. But that reduces to the fraction of 6. That equals 6. And that's what I'm going to use for my slope. So I'm going to say y equals 6x plus b. This is my y-intercept, aka start. At 0 years of education, we have a salary of 28. That's my y-intercept right there. Where x is 0, I get my y-intercept. So I'm going to put 28. Now, this is awesome because I can use this equation to find the salary at any amount of education. So if I look at part B asks about the salary of a person after 8 years. So I'm going to use that equation that I just wrote down. That was y equals 6x plus 28. 6x plus 28. And 8 years of education. Education is an x value. So I'm going to change that to 8. I have y equals 6 times 8 plus 28. And at this point, I can just go straight to my calculator, which I have right over here. I'm going to put this in my calculator. 6 times 8 plus 28 and 76. So that's my answer. So after 8 years of education, the annual salary that we would expect to see is $76,000. Oh no, I'm getting called, darn it. All right, so same thing for part C. Now I want to know about the annual salary of a person after 30 years. Well, let's use my same equation, y equals 6x plus 28. In that box, I'm going to go ahead and put my new x value because x stands for years of education. So 30, I'm going to put that in there, 30. And now this is going to tell me the salary of somebody after 30 years of education. So I'm going to try to go to my calculator again. I got 6 times 30 plus 28 is 208. Equals $208,000 a year. Dang, sign me up. I guess I got to get another, I don't know how many more years of education. That's a pretty dang good salary. 208,000 is pretty dang good. Okay, team. Hey, there's help for 6.3, number 18. Thanks for playing. Bye bye.